Hello YouTube, this has been a 6-month follow-up review for the Hoover Nano Light 12 amp vacuum. I bought this from Walmart 6 months ago. I've been using it once a week to vacuum my room, and I don't really have much to say except that it works pretty well. The one thing I noticed is that you could take your power cord from the bottom and kind of put it right in this groove right here so it doesn't trail behind your vacuum and get sucked up into the vacuum. So you don't have to hold the cord while you're vacuuming. And right now I've vacuumed about half the room, so there's some dust still in there. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the rest of the room, and not really much else to say except it's a pretty good vacuum, good value. Let's go ahead here.